Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video we have another Playvital PS5 silicon controller case cover, but only this time we're going to be reviewing the brand new Mecha and Night Edition cases. As always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So you may have seen my previous videos reviewing the PS5 and Xbox Series X controller case covers and seen how great their products are when it comes to gaming competitively and providing that extra grip. The company are always developing cool products and take customer feedback seriously, so in doing so, ExtremeRate have released two new awesome silicon controller case covers, including the Mecha and Night Edition cases. Both cases are made from silicon, which, like the previous controller cases, feels pretty strong and solid. However, this time, you'll notice the design of the controllers are slightly different. For starters, the Mecha Edition is now split into two individual parts that slip onto the controller handles, thereby allowing users to charge their controllers using charging docks with the case still intact. The Night Edition, on the other hand, boasts a new color combo design, which, in my opinion, looks really good. Both cases can also help keep your hands locked in firmly and provides you with that extra grip you need while gaming. Just like the previous cases, you also get grip caps for your thumbsticks, which easily connect to the controller. The packaging for the new controller cases also remain the same. On front, you have the Playvital logo and see-through case where you can see the silicon controller covers. On the back, you have the Playvital logo again, as well as a safety warning and social media details. Inside the case, you get the Playvital silicon case cover, as well as grip caps for your controller thumbsticks, and information on how you can get 6 months warranty for your product. Attaching the Playvital case covers is pretty straightforward. For the Mecha Edition, slide in both case handles onto your PS5 controller and then connect your thumbsticks. For the Night Edition, start from one handle and then work your way through to the next. Connect your thumbsticks and you should be good to go from there. Now for some testing. Just like the previous controller cases, both the Mecha and Night Edition do a solid job when it comes to maintaining my grip, whilst the thumbstick grips really help increase my accuracy when moving, which I noticed more when playing first-person shooters and games like FIFA. Finally, during long hours of gameplay, the cases still feel solidly attached to the controller and prevented any slipping from occurring. Overall, and as expected, the new controller cases work great and provide you with the grip you need while gaming. They work just as well as the previous cases, and the new stylish design definitely gets a thumbs up from me. The case also prevents any scratch damage from occurring and has 6 months warranty in case you have any issues that happen later on in the future. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Playvital silicon controller case from Amazon for around £16. However, ExtremeRate have again kindly sponsored today's video, and you can find a link to their product portfolio and links to the PS5 silicon controller cases in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Are you a fan of the new designs? Or do you prefer the previous versions? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.